Good morning everyone and welcome back now. So after the English class, it's time to begin with our maths class now. Clear? So in maths, we were doing the topic of addition. And what we have done, what is the meaning of addition? Addition means when we are adding two groups of objects together. Or we can say when two given numbers are added together, जब हम उनको टोटल करते हैं, उन नंबर्स को आपस में इकट्ठा करके काउंट करते हैं, तो जो हमारा आंसर आता है दैट इज द सम ऑफ द गिवन डिजिट्स. क्लियर? वो जो दो डिजिट्स दिए होते हैं उनका टोटल होता है. सो हाउ वी डिड दैट? वी हैव डन दैट इन द फॉर्म लाइक आई हैव टोल्ड यू 4 plus 2. So what will be the answer? 4. So we have done in the form की 4 fingers, then 2 more fingers, then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. We have done in this way. We have also done this work in the form of objects. हमने इसको objects की form में भी किया था. That we have drawn different objects related to these numbers. Like now if 4 is given, so what I'll do? I'll draw 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I am adding 2. So 1, 2. So what is the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again we got our answer 6. So these are the two different methods or ways we have learnt doing addition. And the sign of addition is plus. So what is the sign called? It is called plus. Clear? Plus मतलब आपस में जोड़ना. Okay. So now today what we are going to do? We are going to do this topic add one more. यानी कि जो हमें given numbers हैं उसमें हमें एक और add करना है and then we will recount them and bring the total number. Okay. So how we are going to do that? See class, when we are saying add one more, that means हमें पहले से कुछ ना कुछ दिया हुआ है. For example, if I say I have 5 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many balls I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? So I have 5 balls. These are 5 balls I have. Now I am going to put a plus sign here. अब हमें कितना ऐड करना है? Add one more. More मतलब एक और what is this? 1. You know number names, so you can read this number 1. So what is this written? 1. अब हमें कितना और ऐड करना है? How many more we are going to add? Only 1. ठीक है? So plus का साइन लगाया and we have added one more. तो अब यहाँ पे कितनी बॉल है हमारे पास? I have one ball. Clear? पहले से मेरे पास थी 5 balls. How many balls I have? 5. फिर हमने क्या किया? We have added one more. एक और ऐड कर दिया. We have added that. Now you tell me how many total balls we have. So what you will do? One way is to count these numbers on fingers. Other way is to count these objects also. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total how many we have now? We have 6 in all. Clear? So what is the meaning of add one more? जो भी आपको given object है वो जितने भी दिए हुए हैं, I have 5 balls, might be you have 2 pencils or you can say 2 candies and one more. So 2 candies and one more. So what is the total number we have? 1, 2, 3. Clear? One more का मतलब एक और हमें उसमें ऐड करना है, उसमें प्लस करना है. Understood that? Now if 1 and I say add 2 more. So what is this number name I have written? 2. So you all have learned your number names by now, na? So how many we have to add now? 2. So let us first understand the meaning of these words. Add मतलब जोड़ना, यानी कि उसमें और प्लस करना. So this is the plus. 1 लिखा था, 2 लिखा था, 3. तो that means उतने ऑब्जेक्ट और ऐड करने हैं. मोर मतलब और. So अगर पहले लिखा था add 1 object, उसका मतलब होता है आपको 1 object ऐड करना है. But if it is written add 2 objects, so how many objects you are going to add? 2. अगर मैम लिखती है add 3 more and count them all. So what we have to do? पहले हमें उसमें 3 objects को ऐड करना है और फिर हमें सबको टोटल करके काउंट करना है. So let us do this. Add 2 more. So now I have leaves. So I have 3 leaves. Clear? So how many leaves I have? Let us count them. 1, 2, 3. तो मैम के पास कितनी leaves है? 3 है. So I'll write that number here. So I have 3 leaves. Now add. Add का साइन आ गया. Add करा. 2 more. कितनी और ज्यादा करनी है? How many more? 2 more. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? I'll draw 2 more leaves here. 1, 2. So how many more we have added? 2. Clear? उसके बाद क्या करना है? Count them all. मतलब जितनी है सबको इकट्ठा करके you have to count them all now. That means you have to add them. जब हम ऐड करेंगे तभी तो वो all हो जाएगा ना, तभी तो वो एक साथ मिल जाएंगी, सारी मिक्स हो जाएंगी. So after adding, what we are going to do? Now we will do it on fingers. 3 plus 2. So let us start opening our fingers. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 2. 2. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? So what is the answer here? 5. Now let us count the objects and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 leaves now. Why? Because we were having 3. हमारे पास पहले से कितनी थी बेटा? 3 थी. And add 2 more. हमें क्या बोला गया कि given object में हमें 2 leaves और ऐड करनी है, 2 objects और ऐड करने हैं. तो हमने 2 leaves और ऐड करी and after adding these 2 more leaves we got our answer 5. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Understood everyone now? So this is how we add the things. Add मतलब प्लस करना. अब आपको मान लीजिए मैम ने सिर्फ एक ग्रुप दे दिया like this. Now if I have given you only one group and I ask you to add 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, तो आपको समझ में आया करना क्या है? You first have to understand कि कितना more, how many more you have to add. Clear? फिर क्या करेंगे? Given objects को count करा, उसके बाद हमने जो ऐड करना है, अगर 2 more है तो हम 2 और ऑब्जेक्ट्स को ऐड करेंगे, उसमें प्लस करेंगे, सबको एक साथ टोटल करेंगे और टोटल करने के बाद we will write the answer. So if I change this number here once again and I write add 1 more again. So this is 1 more. If I add 1 more, so 3 I have given to you. Now add 1 more. तो अब कितने ऑब्जेक्ट ऐड होंगे बेटा? 1, 2, 3. कितना ऐड करेंगे हम? 1 object. So what we will do? I'll draw 1 more leaf here. So this is 1 more. अब बताइए टोटल क्या आएगा हमारा? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the total now? 4. So we will write that total here. What is the meaning of add? One more, two more. आपको सिर्फ ये देखना है कि आपको कितने और ऐड करने के लिए बोला गया है. Understood? Okay. Now moving towards your work in the book. So book work to be done on page number 129. So all of you please open your book on page number 129. I'll tell you how you are going to do this work. Clear class? So class, now open your maths number book 2 and today's work need to be done on page number 129 as I have told you. So open page number 129 in your book everyone, and there you will find the topic that we have discussed today. So first thing we are going to do is we'll write today's date here. So what is the date today? 28th August 2020, and this is your today's classwork. Okay class? So now what the question says, draw one more ball in each box. Read again. Draw one more ball in each box, then count and write how many balls are there. Clear? So first we have to do one more ball here. So for how we are going to do? So let us draw one more ball. In each box we have to draw, so we'll draw one more like this. Clear? Now what we have to do, we are going to count them and write how many balls are there. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many balls we have now? We have 4 balls. So what we'll do, we'll write 4 here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the number to be written here? We are going to write 5 here. Next we have 1, 2, 3. So what I am going to write here now? I'll write 3 like this. Clear? So now the next question says, draw 2 more pictures in each box. Draw 2 more pictures in each box, then count and write how many pictures are there in all. ठीक है? अब see, here we have tomatoes, then we have candles, we have buttons, we have fish. But first thing we need to understand is how many objects more to be drawn? 2 more. Yes. So what I am going to do, we are going to draw 2 more objects in each box first. So let us start drawing them. So the first we will draw is a tomato. So 1, 2. So we have drawn 2 more tomatoes. Now next we are going to draw 2 more candles. So see how ma'am is drawing, you can draw it in the same way. One, then this is 2. So we have drawn 2 more candles. Now what is this? Button. So how many more buttons we have to draw? 2 more buttons. So this is 1, 2. Now we have fish. So how many more fishes we need to draw? 2 more. Okay. So this is 1, 2. So we have drawn 2 more fishes now. So what is the next step to be done? We are going to count them and write the total number in this given box. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many in all? 6 in all. Understood? So now what you have to do, you are going to count these candles, buttons and fishes. And after counting them, you have to write the correct number here in this box. Is your today's work clear to everyone now? So today's work to be done on page number 129, and don't forget to write your date and classwork. And students, when you are sharing this work in Google Classroom, you can also write your name here. So can you see that there is a space left here? So write your name so that I can understand who has shared the work. Okay? So class, I hope that by now you must have understood the concept of addition. That addition is adding the given objects. अब आपको दिया है add one more, मतलब आपको एक और ऑब्जेक्ट ऐड करना है. हो सकता है आपको नंबर ना दिया हो एक साइड, एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट दिया, जैसे आज मैंने आपको बताया एक ग्रुप दिया हुआ है, दूसरा ग्रुप हमें खुद बनाना है. हाउ? बाय फॉलोइंग द गिवन इंस्ट्रक्शंस. क्लियर? बिकॉज एडिशन इज व्हेन वी आर एडिंग टू गिवन नंबर्स. जब हम दो गिवन नंबर्स को ऐड करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एडिशन. है ना? जब मैम ने आपको ये बताया था ना, प्लस साइन के एक साइड और प्लस साइन के दूसरे साइड वाले दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करके जो आंसर आता है, दैट इज द फाइनल नंबर. अब आपको मान लीजिए सिर्फ एक ही ग्रुप दिया हुआ है एंड यू नीड टू ऐड, तो दूसरा ग्रुप कहाँ से आएगा? यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन, ऐड वन मोर, ऐड टू मोर. तो वो दूसरा आपको खुद बनाना है एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल ऐड देम एंड टेक आउट द टोटल. Clear everyone? So now complete your work and share your work with me. Okay? So after this, get ready for the next class. Bye all. Take care.